Hello, and thank you for watching this February 1st weather update brought to you by Agrible, the makers of Morning Farm Report. My name is Eric Snodgrass, and I am a senior atmospheric scientist and co-founder of Agrible. Well, it is that time of year again when we pull this large hibernating rodent out of a wooden box in Pennsylvania, and with our superior intelligence, ask this creature his opinion on the timing of spring. I wonder if the groundhog is even aware that he has a shadow. So, should you trust this great prognosticator? According to NOAA, he has been doing this since the late 1880s, and in that time, he has not seen his shadow, indicating an early spring, only 17 times. Please understand that this creature has no predictive skill. In fact, he is wrong far more often than right. His success rate is under 40%. So, if you want to use this groundhog as your forecasting guidance, it's best to go with the opposite of what he says, or just ignore it completely and enjoy the tradition. One thing is for certain though, the end of January is warm. My kids played outside all weekend, albeit in the mud, but when the temperature cracks 50 and even 60 degrees in January, we go outside. This map shows the temperature anomalies on Sunday evening. Don't get used to this warmth. There's a large winter storm brewing in the western United States, and it will mark the start of a cool down for the first half of February. Just as a reminder, the last time a massive winter storm like this hit on Groundhog's Day, it was 2011. That blizzard turned Lakeshore Drive in Chicago into a parking lot. So where is this winter storm now? This animation shows water vapor in the atmosphere. Water vapor serves as an excellent tracer of atmospheric motion, and the deep trough in the flow over California is the lifeblood of this week's major winter storm. Although they need the rain desperately, this rain on Sunday night caused several flash flood warnings in Southern California. You can see the heavy precipitation here on this radar animation from the southwestern region. High wind warnings have been issued for several locations in the southwest as this system is pulling through. This image shows the wind direction and speed on Sunday night. Clearly, this is one of the strongest weather systems to impact the southwest this year. Well, let's fast forward to Monday and Tuesday. Here we can see the winds as this system fully materializes in the central United States. To see a circulation like this in early February means millions of people are going to have to endure adverse weather. Here's the hazards map from weather.gov, and I want to first focus on the potential for a blizzard from this system. Starting in Colorado, snow totals could top 10 inches. As we can see, this heavy snow will spread to the northeast through Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, southern Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Winter storm watches, warnings, and even a blizzard watch, which is seen in this color, were posted 2 days before this event. Here is what we're looking for in snowfall totals. A large swath of greater than 6 inches of snow will spread through the plains into the Great Lakes. While the snow and wind rage along the northern edge of this system, the mid-Mississippi and Ohio River valleys will be dealing with the potential for severe storms. There will be plenty of wind shear and surface moisture, which are two vital ingredients for severe thunderstorm formation. This image shows the forecast for what the radar will look like on Tuesday at noon. Very heavy snow in Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa, and Wisconsin, with heavy rain in Illinois and Indiana. But we need to watch the southern edge for the severe storms. If you live in this area, be prepared for strong winds and potentially isolated tornadoes with this system. What follows this system is far more typical of February. Temperatures fall back into the normal range for the rest of the week, but watch what happens toward the end of this animation of temperature anomalies, which are just differences from normal. A large cold air mass from Canada plunges south to start next week. While this is still about a week out in the forecast, numerous model simulations have forecast this cold for the second week of February. I wonder what the groundhog would have to say about this. Well, just to reiterate, if you are in the path of this early February winter storm, please be careful as it will pack a serious punch. Well, as always, we at Agrible bring the latest and best weather forecast information through our morning farm report so that you can efficiently plan your operations. We thank you for your attention and hope you look forward to our next weather video update. Thank you.